So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the titration experiment, or enzyme reaction. Turn off the stir. So now we just heard the stir shut off. And we can go ahead and now we'll take apart the just remove the burette handle. We'll clean the syringe and we'll rinse out the cells. And we have a cleaning tool that we'll use to rinse the cells out. Before we take the burette handle off though, we want to make sure that we have the burette in the up position, so when you set up your next experiment the plunger is not down either all the way at the bottom or part way, because then you'll eject some of your titrant out of the syringe. So you just click this up arrow, and if you go over it with the cursor it'll show just that it says burette up. So you want to click that, and now we've seen that the burette is now in the up position. That white line is no longer there. So now we can take the instrument apart, take the burette handle out, remove the titration syringe, and then rinse the cell. So to take the burette handle out, sometimes you need two hands to do this because it is a bit stiff. You push down and then turn, and then it'll pop up. And then slowly you want to just lift straight up so that you don't bend the syringe when you pull it out. So you always want to lift straight up, never lift this way. And then we can just unscrew the syringe here and make sure that, keep your hands on the syringe so you don't drop it. And then we're going to put the burette handle back here just so it doesn't roll off the counter. So next we'll take the cleaning utensil and we'll hook it up to the instrument and the vacuum flask. So this is the cleaning utensil. It will fit inside the sample cell, and this will not fit inside the reference cell. So this will just rinse the sample cell. But since the reference cell just has water in it, we're not concerned really with keeping it very clean. We can just change the water and that's sufficient. And so the rinsing tool has basically, it's two concentric tubes. We have water that will hook up, and so water will spray out of there into the sample cell, and then it'll get sucked up through the end there. So it's a continual rinsing system. And so this just fits down into the instrument. This suction will just fit right down in there, and then there you go. And then this will go into water, and then the top here will hook up to this vacuum flask. And you can just do this like this, but we'll lift that out to put that in. So we'll just hook that up like that. And then we will put this inside, and then this will go into water.